Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing a game called Animal Royale. Basically, it's definitely a copy of Fortnite. Like, look at it. This is a copy of Fortnite. For sure. Like, who wouldn't say that this is a copy game of Fortnite? Look at this. This is exactly like Fortnite. Copy. I already don't like this game. It's a copy of the best game in the world. Die, 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 die. Pfft, look at him. Come over here, dummy. Die. You know I'm swiping, yeah? Oh, this is Battle Bus. Battle Bus. Battle Bus. That's a copy of the Battle Bus. How do I hop out? Come on, let me hop out. Here, I wanna hop out. Let me hop. Alright, there we go. Oh, yep, copy of Fortnite going down. Where should I land, by the way? I might play this game a little. Oh wait, I see somebody. Oh no, they got a gun. No, they got a gun. No, they had a gun. I didn't know guns were in this game. I think I just saw a name called Tinkanoodles. Alright. Oh, I'm on level 2. Cool. Let's see. I might play this game. It's actually kind of fun. This game's kind of fun. Loading. I got 2 minutes left in my recording. Just got this maybe a trophy. Wait, can I? Why do I have like an arrow thing? Can I like? Ooh, that's good. I'm not even hitting him. How am I doing that? Yeah, guess whacked on. Guess smacked. Oh. I want to leave in Bucci Beach. Actually, I'm following the bus. No! Come back, boss! Come back! Come back, boss! I'm gonna follow this guy. He's gonna think I'm stream sniping. Oh. Yes. Oh, I died. Oh no! I'm gonna change it to private map. Ooh, squads. I'm a noob, so squads. Okay, that end of today's video. I say bye now, cause I don't have that much time to record, so bye.